So the first thing we're gonna do is we already have everything bulbed and clipped. And so you can see how we have everything bulbed and clipped in here, right? See how it's nice and bulbed and clipped? And this is what it's gonna look like. So we're gonna kind of find the end. That's not it. We're gonna find the end of it, and then we're gonna just start walking these out. Now, you can do this one of two ways. You can kind of keep them there and walk them out this way, and you can see how they're pulling right out, right? See how easy that was? That's how it goes. So then I'm gonna put them where I think I need them at, and we don't have Mr. Long Arm yet, but it's a pole, and we would just start sticking them up on the gutter and doing it there. And so we're gonna walk them out. We'll leave them in there for now, and that way we can put them back in there for them. So we'll just walk them out. That's all, literally, we walk them out. So the main guy needs to get a ladder. So who wants to get a ladder off up there? Somebody get the ladder out of the back of the truck there. Actually, hold on, I'll get it myself. Easy. No, that's fine. So how do we carry a ladder? Do we carry a ladder like this? You want to do it on your shoulder like this? Suitcase it? Everybody see how we're doing it like this? Does that look good? Or there's one other way that we can do this. When we get it up here, we can slide this here. We can put it up about middle of our arm. And now I can carry this ladder literally with one finger here. And wherever I go. And the thing about this is it's keeping it all nice and straight in my body. If I'm over here like so, I'm all jacked up this way, right? Because I'm holding it, carrying it this way. This is a light ladder. This isn't the heavy ladder, right? So we can get it up on our shoulder. I can carry it like this. And wherever I go, the ladder is going, right? Wherever I place my face, the ladder's going. So that's how we can do this here. So when we get over here to the side, we're gonna walk it up here. And it is better that we put these other things on. I'm gonna show you, but I wanna show you this first. Wherever I wanna put the ladder, I wanna look up, right? We're gonna look up because we wanna make sure of what? No power line. And I'm just gonna walk this. I'm gonna set this ladder down just like so. And once I've got it set down, I can pivot. I can do all kinds of things with it, right? So that's one way that we can carry this ladder. You should have, on the bigger ones, you're gonna have a lanyard. So you're gonna pull it up and down like so right here, but this one don't have that. And this one we're gonna put up like so. We wanna be 3 rungs above this. Now what's wrong with this right here? I ain't got no stabilizer on it. All right, so let's put a stabilizer on it. Somebody wanna hand me the stabilizer there? Nope, that's the ladder. Well, that's one too, but we're gonna use these here. These are more likely to be used because they're lighter. So these are pretty awesome. I think these will fit in there. So I wanna be 3 rungs above, right? So I put it in there like so. I bend it down and I just slide them in there, just like so. See how that goes? Nice and easy. We'll do the same thing on this side. Push them in there. See how easy that is? That adds a little bit of weight, not much. I'm gonna push it back up there. I need to go one more. And now I'm not on the gutter.